Hello, welcome to the channel. Merry Christmas. I would like to say before I start the video that I will be taking a few days off because this is the festive season. So if there's anything new, I will of course keep you updated, but then you know that there might not be a video in the few coming days, and that's just how it is. This article is written by Trader Edge, and the title says JPMorgan explores crypto trading services for institutional clients. JPMorgan explores institutional crypto trading, including spot and derivatives offerings as major US banks expand into digital assets under clearer regulations. And the headlines and the main points are: JPMorgan Chase is exploring crypto trading services for institutional clients, including spot and derivatives offerings. The plans are in early stages and depend on client demand and regulatory considerations. JPMorgan CEO Jamie Dimon has historically criticized Bitcoin, but the bank continues expanding blockchain operations. Other major banks like Morgan Stanley and Charles Schwab have announced plans to offer crypto trading in 2026. JP Morgan recently launched a 100 million tokenized money market fund on Ethereum and helped tokenize the Galaxy digital bond on Solana. So it says that JP Morgan Chase is considering offering cryptocurrency trading services to institutional clients. According to sources familiar with the matter, the largest US bank is evaluating projects that would include spot and derivatives trading as part of efforts to expand its presence in digital assets. Latest, and says from CoinMarketCap here on Twitter, or X as a fine gentleman would say. JP Morgan Chase is reportedly evaluating crypto trading services for institutional clients, including spot and derivatives products for hedge funds and pensions managers, according to Bloomberg. And the tweet was from yesterday. The plans remains in early stages and will depend on client demand for specific products. The bank's markets division is assessing what crypto offerings could be made available for institutional customers. JP Morgan declined to comment on the report, which Bloomberg first published. The move would mark a major shift for the bank, despite CEO Jamie Dimon long-standing criticism of Bitcoin. Dimon has previously compared Bitcoin to pet rocks and called it hyped-up fraud. In May, Dimon told investors JP Morgan would allow clients to buy Bitcoin while stating the bank would not custody the assets. JP Morgan has been active in blockchain infrastructure, even as its CEO maintains skepticism. Earlier this month, the bank arranged a short-term bond for Galaxy Digital on the Solana blockchain. The transaction demonstrated JP Morgan's expanded capabilities to tokenize assets. The bank also launched its first tokenized money market fund in December. The money fund launched on Ethereum with 100 million in initial capital through JP Morgan's Kinley's digital asset platform. The fund is available to qualified investors with at least 5 million of investable assets and accepts subscriptions in cash or USD stablecoin. Wall Street banks enter crypto markets. JP Morgan's potential crypto trading launch would follow similar moves by other financial institutions. Morgan Stanley announced it will offer trading on its E-Trade platform starting in the first half of 2026 through a partnership with Zero Hash. The firm manages trillions in client assets. Charles Schwab CEO Rick Wurster announced the 11.6 trillion firm will be offering Bitcoin trading in the first half of 2026. Wurster noted that 20% of Schwab's clients already own cryptocurrency. He said clients have been requesting the ability to hold crypto assets at Schwab alongside their other investments. PNC Bank recently partnered with Coinbase to roll out Bitcoin trading for its clients. The moves reflect growing institutional demand as regulatory framework become clearer. President Donald Trump has pledged to make America the crypto capital of the world. Current market conditions. Bitcoin faces challenging market conditions as it trades below the key recovery levels. The cryptocurrency continues struggling to overcome resistance around $93,000 while defending support at $85,000. US spot Bitcoin ETF holdings have declined less than 5% despite a more than 30% drawdown from October highs. Ray Yusuf, CEO of crypto app No Notes, noted that Bitcoin has failed to deliver on its hedge narratives in 2025. The asset has shown heightened sensitivity to macroeconomics factors rather than trading like digital gold. Yusuf said Bitcoin's upside is now tied to liquidity, expansion, and policy clarity. The global crypto market is valued at around 1.3 trillion. Sorry, I'm still a bit sick. With Bitcoin announced accounting for approximately 1.8 trillion. JPMorgan analysts projected that last month that Bitcoin could climb to 170,000 within 6 to 12 months as perpetual futures deleveraging completes. JP Morgan's concrete plans to offer crypto trading will depend on whether the bank sees sufficient demand for specific products. The bank will also assess risks, opportunities, and regulatory feasibility before moving forward with any offerings. That was the article. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.